Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by getting right to the object. Open Roblox Studio and load the place you want to edit. Make sure you have edit permissions. In Studio, enable Explorer and Properties so you can inspect instances. Now locate the part or GUI element that shows the picture. It'll typically be a decal, texture, image label, or image button. Once you've found it, select the instance so its properties appear. This makes the next steps quick and precise. You'll now remove the image itself. With the instance selected, look at the image property and properties, clear the asset ID to immediately remove the picture, or paste a replacement asset ID if you're swapping images. If the picture is a decal or texture instance and you don't need it anymore, you can right-click it in Explorer and choose Delete. That removes it from the part. Make sure you test in play or run mode to confirm the visual change appears as finish by saving and publishing your place so players see the change. Use file right arrow save and file right arrow publish to Roblox. If the old picture still appears, clear your local cache or reload Studio and test with play. Sometimes browser or client caching shows stale images. Also verify the asset isn't being set by a script at runtime. Search scripts for image or texture assignments. If problems continue, check asset moderation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.